it before you hear it.
Should be gone in like 2 seconds.
This is the guy walking there, so it's not going to happen now. What's the adjacent building? The name is
Oh my goodness. That was someone's window.
Yeah.
One, two, three.
Fly, eh? Those fabrics are going to fly.
It's like they're getting my shutter.
Yeah, my shutter too. I'm tricking it just so they know not to stand in front of the flipping camera.
Cool, they're moving us away.
Right, there's a second siren. Really?
Three, two, one.
Go.
Come on.
Okay, when the robot goes green.
Why do people have to do this, eh? Yeah.
There's no people in place. Inside.
You don't pay your race.
Yeah.
And there's another one.
Okay, now prepare to jump when the band comes and then you can get your pictures.
Yeah.
Go. On.
One little wire not connecting.
And there you go. Third siren.
I hope you guys got it on video.
Oh.
My shoulder's getting stiff.
There's a car driving upstairs, uptown there. Maybe a taxi. What did you say?
Wow. I shook.